hearing a bunch of petitions on COVID-19 management in Delhi, including the issues when it comes to the supply of hospital, the beds, the oxygen supply, and the matter is currently being heard by Justices Vipin Sanghi and Rekha Pali, where this matter which is currently being taken up, of course there is on one hand where Aam Aadmi Party MLA has been blamed and for hoarding oxygen cylinders there. Let me go across to Ane now. Ane, what are the different factors that is now being taken up by the Delhi High Court, and we are getting to know that it has pulled up the Aam Aadmi Party led government in the national capital? Alright, Ane will be with us in just a bit, where court which is now issuing the augment of the number of doctors for the wards, and there are some of the instructions that have come and some of them are still awaited. Especially the court is taking a very pointed stand, asking that at this point, if there are more wards, why are there no doctors to see and to take care of the patients? Ane, very strong points that are being made by the Delhi High Court there, and at this point it has pulled up the Delhi government. So the court's observation right now is to the effect that Delhi government has put up advertisements for inviting volunteer doctors only in a few publications, but at this point, owing to the acute shortage of hospital beds, where Delhi still continues to report at this point, even looking at the oxygen cylinders and the oxygen plants there. However, the situation can be seen in a slight improvement since last week onwards, where we saw many of those leading hospitals in a direct SOS to the High Courts and the Supreme Court there appealing for help, as they were saying that they were left with just few hours of medical oxygen supply. But if you talk about the Delhi government, all in all, they have been saying, and rather have been praising the centre at the same time, saying that they have been receiving full cooperation and support from the centre and from the other states as well when it comes to the procurement and the distribution of liquid medical oxygen, and the distribution that is now being done to various hospitals. Such kind of complaints has now stopped coming in the last few days. Ane, if you can update us what's happening in the court.
Well, the court is hearing various petitions regarding oxygen supply in New Delhi and the neighboring states or whatever. However, now as the court is coming down heavily on the Delhi government, it has clearly said, had asked the government to bring up doctors, voluntary doctors who can come out and help as the shortage of medical staff is taking place. Coming down heavily, the Delhi High Court has clearly said that when the elections times are there, the government is having full page ads, but when such a situation is coming up, there are no ads, and even small newspapers are being chosen to file up ads to basically come down on the costs, and not seriousness is not being taken place. The Delhi government should publicize all of these things in various important dailies, including a lot of newspapers and other media portals as well.
Alright, Ane, thanks very much for joining in. So at this point, the High Court is directly asking the Delhi government that what happened to those advertisements regarding volunteers and doctors who can come forth and add to the resource in treating of COVID-19 patients, as we're already running low of the doctors. There are many of those healthcare staffers and workers who have themselves also tested positive for COVID-19.